Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime. This evening I am Daedran. We are ready, says Tony Matterhorn and the Rum Punch Brunch crew as they set to compete for Red Bull's Culture Clash coveted title. It's going to be an epic showdown in Atlanta. Four dynamic crews representing Atlanta's hottest parties will bring their freshest sounds in dancehall, reggaeton, amapiano and hip-hop to one location, all vying for the coveted title. Speaking exclusively with E Prime, Rum Punch Brunch crew member Tony Matterhorn says his team is ready to reclaim their title.
The anticipation for the clash is really high, and you don't know, as a legend in the thing, my team is ready. Been there, done that, win that, and come back. And come back for more. Rum Punch Brunch took the 2017 title in Atlanta and the 2016 title in the United Kingdom. So, you know what time it is? New Music Friday. Shenseea shuts down critics with Lola Brooke feature. The Shenyang boss gave critics a jaw-dropping surprise earlier today with the release of a new single, Beema, which features American rapper Lola Brooke. Now, earlier this week, Shenseea was criticized by social media users when she dropped a freestyle to the premature release of Beema. In response to the critic, the singer took to social media saying, "I DJ and rap and sing. I'm not going to limit myself to doing one when I can do all of them." Now, following the release of her single featuring Lola, social media users are beaming to Beema.
Can't start beef cause the water run deep. I got the type of money that can put you 6 feet. Caught myself to sleep in $10,000 sheets. Body like milk, nah cocoa. I can hear your heartbeat. Hit is move faster than your heart.
Olivia Rodrigo has released a new song, Can't Catch Me Now, from the upcoming Hunger Games prequel, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. The track, written and recorded by the Guts singer, features an intimate acoustic guitar and tells the story of vengeance. The track, which is being billed as the film's official song, was teased early this week on Instagram.
You think
The film is set to be released on November 17, and the franchise has previously featured original songs from artists like Taylor Swift, Coldplay, and Lorde. Now, it's a real honor to have my record serving as the anthem for this monumental moment. Words from LL Cool J as his 1990 track, Mama Said Knock You Out, gets a fresh take for the NBA in-season. Combining two classics, LL Cool J and The Roots fuses their singles, Mama Said Knock You Out and Here I Come, to create the Fit For You weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Have a safe weekend.